Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. Today we're going to go through the Summer FabFitFun box. If you are not familiar with FabFitFun, it is a seasonal box, so it comes out quarterly. You'll get a spring, summer, winter, and fall box. This box would be $59.99 per season if you just pay for it season by season. If you want to pay for it all at one time for the year, it's $54.99 per box. If you are a season to season membership, you can customize 4 of your 6 items. If you are an annual membership, you can customize all 6 of your categories. I will tell you, I am an annual member, so I got to pick out all 6 of my items. Wasn't 100% thrilled with all the options, but I was able to pick out something out of every one that I liked, and a few of the categories I picked out more than one thing, so that's always fun too. That is one nice thing about FabFitFun, is if there's a category that has more than one item that you like, once you pick your favorite, you can add the second one for whatever cost. I think it's up to, I don't even know if it goes up to 20, but I think it's like 8, 10, 12, and 15, but it depends on that category. Some categories are going to have a higher cost. So I'm going to show you what I picked out. The box is a very big box, and it's got all the summer decorations on it. The top of it says, "This box just got a tan." So that's nice. That's why it's kind of the cardboard. Usually they're a pretty color. This is, by FabFitFun standards, kind of a boring box, but they explained it because it has a tan. So they're making it cute for being a brown box. I've got a big box and a little table, so let's see what we can figure out here. So you always will get an advertisement for HelloFresh. It looks like soak up the fun, get a free gift if you refer to them to FabFitFun, so those are all nice. So the first thing, category 1, that we picked was vacation, and this is a fragrance, and it says it has petitgrain essence, coconut water, coconut milk, bergamot, solar musk, banana, pineapple, pool water, swimsuit lycra, and sea salt. Now, I have to admit, I have never sat down and said, boy, do I wish I had a perfume that smelled like swimsuit lycra. But this is supposed to make you think of being on vacation, at a pool, and all that stuff. So there wasn't anything else in category 1 that I really liked. But I will say this is beautifully packaged. It comes, I took off the cellophane wrapper just now, but it comes in a slide out tray, and the bottle is gorgeous. And it's a good size bottle. This is a 1 ounce bottle. It's in there super tight. Beautiful bottle. It's glass. Well, is it? I think it's glass. It feels glass. Might be plastic. But it's a beautiful bottle. It's got kind of a faceted top. I'm going to see what vacation smells like. Okay, you got to pull hard, but the top pops off. That very much smells like a vacation. It smells like if you're sitting beside a pool and you're smelling all the smells that are out by the pool, all the suntan lotions, all the ocean or pool water, everything. It very much smells like vacation. I actually like that. It's nice and fresh. It's not heavy or overwhelming. I like it. Okay. I wasn't really sure, honestly, how I was going to like this one, but I do like it. That's a nice one. And I'll put the retail values of each item up here. I don't remember them all, but that one is the vacation from category 1. And the second category, I picked out the Amika shampoo, and this is the Maribel High Shine Protect Antioxidant Shampoo and Conditioner set. So it was the set. So we got both the shampoo and the conditioner for the pick. I did add on a second set of these, one for me and one for my sister. And I can tell from inside the box there was a leak, and it looks like it was this one. You can see even the label's kind of worn. It looks like this shampoo leaked. So it did get inside the box, and I don't know if any of the other products have been affected by it, but I will reach out to FabFitFun customer service and let them know that this one came damaged. But I did get 2 sets. One of the sets came leaky, but I got 2. I paid the extra, I want to say like $12 or something for the second set. Again, I'll put the retail value up in the corner. For category 3, there was almost nothing in that category that I wanted, but I did pick packing bags, but honestly I thought they were going to be bigger. These are more cosmetic size than I thought. I thought these were going to be like clothes packing, but they are packing bags for, if you know, for your suitcases. You can put things in that you can see, so they will come handy even for cosmetics. I'll be able to see what they are. But these are packing cases. They do have handles. So that was my category 3 pick. My category 4 pick was another Amika product, and this is the Amika Smooth Over Frizz Fighting Treatment. And you guys, if you've been watching a few of my videos, I've been griping about my frizz this year. I have been dealing with frizzy hair off and on. I got this to see if it'll fix it. It's not ever been a problem for me until recently, but I got some Smooth Over from Amika, and we'll try that and see if it fixes my frizz. All right, my category 5 pick was Earth Harbor Samphire. And it came open like this in the box, so I must have rattled around enough to get open. And this is a biotic perfecting serum. So this is a perfecting serum, and it comes in a little squeezy bottle. It doesn't look like the bottle itself has been opened or anything, but it's a nice glass bottle, and look how pretty the creamy green color is. So this is a skin serum. This one has BHA, C probiotics, C postbiotics, and I don't know what that is, but that's what it has in it. It's plant-based, vegan, all that good stuff. Earth Harbor makes some really good, clean products. My category 6 pick, again, not a lot of things in that category that I liked, but they had really pretty dog leashes. And we have our boy dog Vincent and our girl dog Sandy, so I added a second one so they'd each have their own and be matchy. But these are really beautiful leashes. High quality rope. The blue kind of is a cream to green to blue, and it's got a good solid hook on there. And these are from Found My Animal, and these are made in the USA. So they're both the same, it's just one's pink and it has the ombre color and one's blue. So that was my category 6 pick. I did do a couple of add-ons here as well. Once you pick your categories, you can go through and there's add-ons and different things that you can get. One of them was the Gwen Stefani, I want to say this is a lip gloss. I don't remember. I think this was my sister's pick, actually. This is a Gwen Stefani lipstick color remover. Lipstick, when you use a lip stain or a product that's got a lot of pigment in it and you just want to get that color off your lips because you want to change colors or just taking off your makeup and you don't want to leave that residue on there, this is supposed to take that color off. I haven't ever tried anything like this before. I'm excited to give it a try. I will let you guys know if it works or not, but that is from Gwen Stefani, and that was an add-on. My other add-on, I actually got 2. I use Perfect Hair Day. I use this just all the time. I bought my last bottle of it. I bought at Ulta for full price, and full price is, I want to say, $33 a bottle. When I found these on the add-ons from FabFitFun, they were like $14 a piece. So I got 2 for the less than the price of 1. And these will last me probably the rest of the year, but I got it covered for less than the cost of 1. And I just ran out, not this shampoo, but the shampoo before that of my last bottle, and I didn't buy any more because I knew this was coming, and I'm glad it came sooner than later because it really helps my hair a lot. But I love this. Is a Living Proof Perfect Hair Day 5-in-1 styling treatment. So I love this. I highly recommend it. It works great. Get you some. But I got me 2. So that was my add-ons. There was one more add-on I forgot, and it was so tiny I lost it in the thing, but it's a necklace. And this is literally the tiniest little bag, and I can't even see it. It's all wrapped up. But this was an add-on to category 2, or to customization 2. And if I can get it open without, oh, it's a little pouch. Okay, and this is from by Chari. And it's supposed to be a lariat necklace. Okay, it's in another little baggie inside. Oh my gosh, I did not know it was this tiny. This may be completely worthless. I don't know. That's so small. Okay. Okay, it's not as bad. It's just a really small little lariat necklace with little pearl drops. So it's just a pretty little, simple necklace just to put on with a nice little extra sparkle for your outfit. So this was an add-on that I added to category 2. That's everything. All right, so that is my FabFitFun box for summer. I will put links below if you guys want to sign up for your own subscription. You can still sign up for the summer subscription box because it is seasonal. You'll be able to get it for the next few months. The category items that are still available may be different than, they may have run out of some. They may have added some others to replace them, but these, I will show you, these are the ones that were available when I signed up or when I did my customizations. One of the advantages to having the annual membership is you can do your customizations a few days early, which is what I did. I sat there as soon as the clock turned over 11 and picked my categories real fast, because you will find the most popular items in a category will be picked and they'll run out. Thank you so much for joining me today on Beth Unboxes. That was our FabFitFun box for summer. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notifications bell. But for today, I hope you have a great one. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.